You've probably seen people on Wall Street trading and news tickers with a bunch of red and green numbers. That's called stock trading. Another way to make money trading, and a more easier way, in our opinion, is through Forex trading. Forex is the short word for foreign exchange, and it's a $5.3 trillion a day industry, much bigger than the stock market. All around the world, money is being exchanged in different currencies, and the price difference between those currencies consistently fluctuates. Trading Forex online has many benefits. You can trade from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Making money with Forex trading is all about deciding just the right time to buy and sell currencies. Now, you might be asking yourself, how am I supposed to decide when it's the right time to buy or sell? Forex traders often struggle with this decision, but we have a solution for them that is so easy. Even people who know nothing about Forex can use it and be profitable with trading. You see, advances in innovation softwares are allowing the world to work smarter, not harder. Major banks and hedge funds used advanced Forex softwares to give them the upper hand with Forex trading. That increases their ability to earn money and allows them to rapidly respond to market changes and news events. These softwares give them an unfair advantage over everyone else in the Forex industry. But luckily for you, someone cared enough to send you this video. Because for the first time, you can get access to an advanced Forex software that makes all the decisions for you. Our innovative Forex software is self-learning. It reacts to changes happening around the world, important dates, and news events. By utilizing price action, a special hedging function, low drawdown percentages, and a proprietary trading algorithm, this software has proven to be both beneficial and scalable. Now is your chance to get access to a software that can level the playing field. In these unpredictable economic times, you need any advantage you can get your hands on. But don't worry, even though our software is extremely advanced, we've also made it extremely easy to use. We wanted to make sure that the average person, who possibly has never even heard of Forex before, could use our software and get a powerful advantage in Forex trading. In fact, if you have a computer and you've ever followed the directions in a YouTube video, we are confident you can set up our software. We've made it so simple. You can set it and forget it. No, really, you're not dreaming, and it's not too good to be true. The steps are as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, you'll purchase our monthly membership. Step 2, you'll follow our simple videos on how to install everything. And Step 3, the software is connected and making trades for you on autopilot. That's it. It doesn't require any daily action. You just set it and forget it. Legally, we make no guarantees that you will make a profit from this software, because there will always be a risk of losing money in the Forex market. However, our membership package is spectacular, but you don't have to take our word for it. Check out this message from one of our founding members, LG, and see what others had to say about their experiences with us.
Hey, what's going on? It's me, LG. I'm actually on vacation right now, but I'm taking a minute to make this quick video because so many people ask me on a daily basis how I became so successful in business, all right? So let me tell you a little story. I'm pretty much no different than you. At one point in my life, when I got out of high school, I had no idea what I wanted to do. So I went to the military, had a great time there. Got out, got a 6-figure job in the government. I made it, right? That's what everyone around me was telling me. Wrong. So here's what I did. After tons and tons of research, I realized that the only way that I was going to be able to live the way I truly wanted was entrepreneurship, all right? So after multiple endeavors, over the years, I've tried lots of different businesses. The number one thing that I can attribute my success to today is Forex trading.
If you want to build your net worth, your money should always work harder for you than you work for it. It's time to work smarter, not harder. It's time to put the best technology available to work for you. Click the link and become a member today.